Today I want to talk to you about a topic that is relevant for anyone interested in real estate investing in Chicago, and that is multi-units and cash flow. As you all know, Chicago is a vibrant and diverse city with booming real estate market, and today I want to focus on the aspect of this market that can be particularly very profitable with multiple units. Multi-units are properties that have multiple units such as apartments or condos within one building. These units can range from hundreds and can be highly lucrative for investors. One of the main advantages of multi-units is their potential for long-term cash flow. By renting out each unit, you can generate a steady stream of income which can help cover expenses and make profit. In addition, with multi-unit property, you have the ability to diverse your income sources. This means that if one unit is vacant or needs a little repairs, you still have income coming in from the other units. Therefore, multi-units often have a higher return of investment compared to single-family homes. This is due to the economies of scale. The more units you have, the lower your operating costs per unit will be. But it's not just about the numbers. Multi-units in Chicago also offer a unique opportunity to invest in different neighborhoods. In fact, 77 neighborhoods in Chicago and communities. So Chicago is known for its diverse neighborhoods with its own character and potential for growth. By investing in multi-units in different areas, you can tap into the different markets and potentially see the higher return of investments. And of course, like any investment out there are risks involved with the multi-units in Chicago. It's important to do your research for the property, the location, the rental history before making a decision. In conclusion, multi-units in Chicago can be profitable and rewarding investment opportunity with the potential for long-term cash flow and diversification. Keep this in mind when considering your next real estate investment, and remember to always do your due diligence. I'm Hugo with Hugo. I've served the Chicagoland suburbs, and I'm your local real estate expert in Lakeview, Chicago. I hope this speech has provided you with valuable information about multi-units in Chicago. And before looking into buying a multi-unit, give me a call at 773-550-4846. Let's do the numbers. Let's do if it makes sense, because every property is different and it's always about the numbers.